In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoices in Xero. Let's get started with exploring this straightforward process, which can make a significant difference in how you present billing information to your clients. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once there, type in Xero and hit the search button. The official site should be among the top results, and you'll want to click on the one that says Xero Accounting Software for Small Businesses. This will take you straight to Xero's homepage. Now, if you aren't already logged in, simply click on the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials and get into your Xero account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Xero dashboard, look for the plus icon, which you'll encounter as a tool to add new entries or documents. Click on this plus icon and a drop-down menu will appear, offering various options. From there, select Invoice. This will open up a new screen where you'll be able to begin customizing your invoice template. Now let's personalize this template to fit your business needs. Begin by clicking on Add Details to your template. This is where you can start adding all the essential information that you would like to be reflected on the final invoice. On the template, you may notice placeholders for details like your address, client information, and more. Let's add these crucial elements first. You'll want to add your business address so your clients know exactly where any correspondence and payments are to be directed. Type in your full address, making sure all details are correct, as it's important for clarity and professionalism. It's equally essential to include your business logo on the invoice. Uploading your logo can increase brand recognition and provide a polished and cohesive appearance to the document. After adding the logo, you can continue by including other custom details you'd like your invoices to display. Some businesses prefer to add payment terms, a breakdown of goods or services provided, or even a personalized message to clients. Tailoring these details not only enhances the look of your invoices, but can also convey any specific information your clients need to know. Finally, after you've included all the desired details and given your invoice a thorough review to ensure accuracy, your customization is complete. At this point, you're ready to save your template. Congratulations, you've successfully customized your invoice template in Xero. This customized appearance can leave a lasting impression on your clients and help reinforce your brand identity with every piece of correspondence. That's it for today's tutorial on customizing invoices in Xero. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep streamlining those business processes